how to fix Instagram song unavailable on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just clear data and go back, try again. And if you have an iOS, just delete your Instagram and install it again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then restart your phone. And I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.